Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata, guys, and you need to remove, or replace cylinder door lock or the exterior door handle. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that step by step. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. If you guys need to buy exterior door handles or cylinder door locks, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can buy any parts, tools, and save quite a bit of money there, guys. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So now for the exterior door handle right here, guys. In order to remove it, we first need to remove that piece. Right here we have one cap, so we'll get a small screwdriver, okay, and hopefully don't mess our fingers. And if you look right here, okay, you have an 8, I believe it's an 8mm, guys, 8mm bolt that we need to actually pre-loosen. So let's go ahead, okay, and do that now. So let's go in more. Right there, yep, 8mm, guys. So let's go ahead, get it tight, get it loose, excuse me. I'll grab the lock cylinder here, a little bit more. Okay, let me see now. Okay, it came out, you can see like that. Screw it just a little bit so the bolt doesn't fall off. Now right here you grab that handle. Okay, let me see the design exactly. Okay, on this one here, to make sure that we don't mess it up, but yeah, it just slides towards the back, so it goes in, then you go back, you just tuck, and it comes out. You can see, just like that. That seal goes between the two pieces here. So that's how you guys remove exterior door handle or cylinder door lock. If you have any questions, let us know. Hopefully the video was helpful to any of you trying to find this information. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.